This is the story of two great servants of Allah, Prophet Musa Kalimullah, the one who spoke directly with Allah, and a mysterious, wise servant of Allah known as Al-Khidr alayhi salam. A man blessed with deep, divine knowledge. One day, Prophet Musa alayhi salam gave a powerful speech to Bani Israel. Someone from the crowd asked, "O Musa, is there anyone on earth more knowledgeable than you?" And though Musa alayhi salam was a mighty prophet, he answered, "No, I am the most knowledgeable." But Allah, the one who knows all hearts, gently corrected him. "O Musa, there is a servant of mine who knows things that you do not. His knowledge is from us, just as yours is." When Musa alayhi salam was informed by Allah that there was another person on earth who was more knowledgeable than him, he decided to set off a journey in the quest of this divine knowledge and spiritual guidance along with him Yusha alayhi salam. Even a prophet had more to learn. So Musa alayhi salam immediately said, "O my Lord, let me meet this man and learn from him." Allah instructed him, "Take a fish with you. Where you lose the fish, that is the place where you will meet him." Musa alayhi salam set out on this blessed journey with his young companion, Yusha alayhi salam carrying a salted, cooked fish in a container. After walking far and wide, they rested by a large rock. While they slept, something miraculous happened. The fish came to life and jumped into the sea, leaving behind a clear trail in the water by the power of Allah. But Yusha forgot to tell Musa alayhi salam at that moment. After walking for a while longer, Musa alayhi salam said, "Bring our food. We are tired from this journey." Only then did Yusha remember and say, "The fish. It escaped at the rock where we rested. Shaitan made me forget to tell you." Musa alayhi said joyfully, "That is the place we were looking for." They turned back, and there, by the rock, they found a man covered in green garments, sitting peacefully by the sea. This was Khidr alayhi salam, not a prophet, but a man specially guided by Allah. Khidr alayhi salam agreed but warned, "Then come, but do not ask me anything until I explain it to you myself." And so, the journey of patience, knowledge, and hidden wisdom began. They boarded a small boat owned by poor fishermen. The owners were kind and didn't even ask for money. But suddenly, Khidr alayhi salam damaged the boat, making a hole in it. Musa alayhi salam was shocked. "Did you damage it to drown its people? You've done a terrible thing." Khidr alayhi salam reminded him, "Did I not say you wouldn't be able to remain patient?" Musa alayhi salam felt ashamed. He apologized and said, "Please forgive me. I forgot. I won't question again." They walked further, and saw a young boy playing. Khidr alayhi salam suddenly killed the boy. Now Musa alayhi salam could stay silent. He cried out, "Have you killed an innocent child? Without reason? This is a great sin." Khidr once again reminded him, "Did I not tell you that you cannot bear patience with me?" Musa alayhi salam, heart heavy with confusion, said, "If I question you again, then you don't have to let me continue with you." Finally, they entered a town. The people were rude, greedy, and refused to offer any food or shelter. Yet, Khidr alayhi salam found a broken wall about to fall, and repaired it with his own hands, without asking for any reward. Musa alayhi salam said, "You could have at least asked for payment. They didn't even feed us." Khidr alayhi salam now said gently, "This is where we part ways. But before you go, I will explain everything you could not understand. The boat belonged to poor men working at sea. Ahead, there was a cruel king who was seizing every good boat. I damaged it so it would look worthless, and they could keep it. Soon they'll fix it and continue their work. This child would have grown into a tyrant, hurting his righteous parents. Allah chose to take his soul early and give the parents a better, righteous child in return. Beneath that wall was a treasure belonging to two orphan boys. Their father was a righteous man. Allah wanted them to grow up safely and find their treasure when they matured. That's why I rebuilt the wall. Then, he said the final words. I did none of this by my own will. These were all commands from Allah. This is the knowledge you could not understand. We only see the surface. Allah knows the full picture. What seems bad may hide great mercy inside. Even prophets must learn humility and patience. True knowledge belongs to Allah, and He gives it to whom He wills.